Okay.
Whatever.
Okay. Yeah.
And
All right. Welcome back to the Renties of Houston. I'm PJ.
Yes. I'm Sherry.
Oh yeah,
That's me.
That's
Sherry.
Sherry right there, right? And I think earlier, some of our early videos, we mentioned that we are on a weight loss journey, and part of weight loss is diet, a huge part. Actually, the older you get, realize
The main part.
diet is like more and more. I remember back in the day, if I wanted to lose some weight, all I need to do was just start, maybe just do some running in the morning and stuff, and after about 2 weeks, it'd be at big effects. But now, it's just the body is like, nope, you ain't
take
gonna.
a lot more than that.
You have to pay some more. So it's mainly diet, but exercise.
Yeah.
Exercise factors in.
Yeah, and just to stay limber and just to be
Yeah.
able to climb up the stairs.
Yeah.
You got to keep those joints lubricated. You got to keep them moving. So.
Yeah, and ain't no way I'm gonna have my kids, my grandkids, trying to carry me up and down stairs, and because I'm either too fat or too whatever, don't got arthritis or whatever, and can't go up the stairs. That ain't happening here.
No.
That ain't happening with us.
Nope.
Nope. So, we thought we would work out today. However, it's raining outside.
Yes.
And
Really bad.
Yeah. And our plan was to do a walk, and we were gonna walk for a while, and then end up at the gym and maybe do a little bit of weights. But being that we decided to stay in, we are going to do
Apple Fitness.
Yeah. We are going to do Apple Fitness.
Yeah. He's not an Apple Wear user. He's an Android. So, whatever. Mixed marriages, they can work. But I'm a big fan of Apple. So, I thought since it's raining outside, this would be a great opportunity to utilize Apple Fitness.
Yeah, and I gotta be honest. Apple has excellent workout videos.
Yeah, they do.
Yes,
they do.
I wish Android would do something like this.
I don't know if they can hear you.
Yes.
They can't hear you.
Your workout videos suck. All right?
They kind of do. I'm sorry.
No, there's no kinda. They straight out suck. I mean, I'm sitting here, I'm watching the Apple one. They're like, hi, I'm, whatever, and we're doing this. Okay, work out with me. And 3, and 2, and 1, right? And then you go over to the Android one, and it's like, oh, let's do an aerobic workout. And you just have someone that they don't even talk to you.
Yeah, that was pathetic. I'm sorry.
And I'm like, ain't nobody talking. It's like the Stepford family decided to do a workout video, and then just and Westworld or something.
I know. I was really disappointed. And the cool thing is with the Apple Watch, it ties in with the Apple Fitness.
Yeah.
So it tracks your heart rate and all that. You can see all that on the TV screen. It's so cool.
I mean, I love my Androids, but Apple has the whole universe. Just like how the MCU got the superhero
Marvel,
movies cornered. It's like the Apple universe, and it is phenomenal. It is phenomenal. I give it to them. Although I still love my Androids, and when Android does this,
eventually,
I'm there. Android, you listening?
And it's okay. It's okay. But for today, get your water in, baby. But for today, we're gonna do the Apple Fitness, which is, like you said, it's really cool because you have different workouts you can choose from. Whether it's the HIIT workouts,
That's the Zumba. Zumba.
No, it's like
aerobic dancing. Well, they got yoga.
Well, they have dance, and then they do have yoga.
Yeah.
And then they have different cardio types of workouts and stretching, all different things you can choose from. Then they have different levels like beginning, intermediate, and then you can even pick the length of time you want to work out. So it's totally cool. So
yeah, they have cool down videos.
Yeah, cool down videos.
You know,
so
tranquility videos.
Yeah.
It's like, come on now, dude.
And so and you can even pick your favorite trainer. Like I forgot the guy I like. I forgot his name, but he's really good.
Yeah.
And so even though we're not going to be in the gym or outside, don't get it twisted. We will get a real workout in.
Yeah.
For sure. So,
but this works in a pinch. I mean, not even a pinch. It works for a daily thing.
Yeah.
You know, if for those of you who are, especially during the whole pandemic, you know, I'm sure a lot of people were doing a lot of working out indoors.
Oh yeah.
You know, and Apple Fitness, it's a good way to go.
Yeah.
You know, if you don't want to pay for the PS9 X90 or.
I think we're dating ourselves. I don't
know.
even know. What are you talking about?
You know that workout videos used to get P90X. P90X. Okay,
Do they still make those?
I don't know.
Okay.
You know.
Well,
yeah.
Y'all know what we're talking about.
Yeah. We were born in the mid 1900s, so.
That's a shame that they say that, but it's so true.
Yeah.
Oh.
You know, like I said, I know how my grandparents feel when I was just marveling. It's like it was like they were going to school with Jesus or something.
Gosh.
You know.
Yeah, we have a little history behind us, but that's okay. That's okay.
Mm-hmm.
So they've taken all those old 1980s video workouts that they did back then, and they've perfected it now.
Yeah.
So, you know, so that's okay. We're gonna get a good workout in,
Yes.
and you guys will get to come along for that to see how that works.
Yeah. So and before we go any farther, if you've made it this far in the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Yes, that really helps us out, you know. And please, I mean, seriously, share this video. If you like this, share this with your other friends.
Yes, for sure.
Definitely.
Yeah.
All right. So I guess we're gonna go ahead and next time you see us, we're gonna be getting ready to do a workout.
Yep.
And don't laugh.
Yeah, please don't laugh.
Yes.
moves 4 times with 40-second intervals. All the moves will keep you up on your feet. Be ready for butt kicks with a pop, squat jump slams, icky shuffle, and pop squats with a push. Let's do this. I love when you work hard for me, okay? I mean it. It moves my soul. This team loves when you work hard with them, but I need you to do it for you.
Okay, I'm ready. You just want to move that thing?
Oh, yeah. All right.
Mm-hmm.
You ready? Here we go.
You ready now?
Yes. Okay, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
What's up? Welcome to the Fitness Plus.
Oh, here, I'm going to get
I'm your Coach Bakari, with my teammates, dance trainers John and John. This is how we're taking on our 20-minute HIIT workout. We have 4 moves that will cycle through 4 times, and all of your intervals are 40 seconds long. All 4 moves keep you on your feet today. We'll take on butt kicks with a pop, squat jump slams, and top squats with a push. We get to do each move 4 times. I want you to use the repetition to your advantage to own every interval. You ready? Let's get started. All right, Team John is going to be showing modifications for our workout today. Check them out for different options when you need. Set your feet up about hips width distance, ready to squat. We squat down with support, bending both knees. Stand tall, reach your right arm up and your left arm down. There we go. Squat down with support. Do it again, switching sides. One arm up, one arm down. Keeping a long spine, sitting your butt and hips down and back. Notice in this move, John's just showing you a smaller range of motion. Remember, you can modify if you feel really tired in a move and are losing your form, all right? Or if you just need a little support today. All right, let's get one more. All right, team, right into pogo jump side to side. Let's go. Feet together, options, these quick little steps side to side like John. Do whatever you want with your arms.
Yeah, I'm doing what John's doing.
We're getting this thing warmed up and we got a pure dance playlist. Let's go, let's go. Come on. Remember, pogo jumps is real jump here. Just
All right,
one more and settle your feet. All right, step your right foot forward, hands up at your chest, rotate towards your right, come back to center. Left, jump forward, jump back, pull right,
You okay over there?
pull left.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you need to modify the movement. You can always use steps, just like John, instead of jumping. Maybe you're newer to HIIT, okay? Maybe you just don't get a move in your body, and the modification works for you a little better. That's cool. All right, but whatever you do, I need your best.
You alright?
Yeah. Remember that?
Yeah.
1, 2. Now we're covered.
That's going in the video.
Remember move 2?
Woo!
Okay?
Yeah.
You sure?
Yes.
Turning. Squat jump slams. You can always use steps to slam. Grab whatever you're slamming. You're gonna take it to your right. Let's go. Right.
Yeah.
Center. Left. Center. And tell me, how's this work looking on your ring?
Looks good.
Team round 3. I want you to see if you can use your arms a little more on all of your movement. Starting off with your butt kicks with your pop and pull. Arms out, tight this. Let's move. Jump forward, back, pull right, pull left, jump forward, jump back, pull right, pull left. Come on.
See, that's when I
Give
hit
me
it
your love.
some kind of way.
Give me your energy.
When I pull it up,
Give me your effort. Right here.
something's
Right now.
catching. So
Let's go.
then now it's gone. So
Alright, so we ain't flipping it back.
All right.
Not
Along
right.
with using your arms,
Just gotta be
I want you
careful.
to fight to move at your best tempo here. Maybe it's right with us, okay? Maybe it's faster. Good. Maybe it's a little slower. Find your best. Come on. Come on. 3. Finish it. 2. 1. Recovery. That's it. Turning squat jump slams are coming up. What are you gonna try and do? You're gonna see if you can use your arms even more for this one. Big slams, okay? Just like those beats. Okay, set up. You're gonna go to your right first. Ready, set, let's work. Slam right, slam center, slam left, slam center. Right away, come on, come on. Ah. Can you slam? Ah. A little harder. Throw in some sound effects.
Here we go. We're going faster than you.
yeah. We picked up our momentum.
Start your team. 15 seconds left. Yeah, yeah.
15
Pull
whole
along with
seconds.
your arms. Come on,
Second hour.
Jump a little higher. Yeah, you're almost there. You're almost there. 3, 2, get one more slam. Get one more slam. Ah. Yes, yes. Work all the way to your timer. Finish the move.
Well,
Oh, it's recording.
yes, it's recording. Yes. That was a workout.
That was a good workout.
Yeah.
Except for that one little part where I
Yeah, you
got a catch in my
yeah.
leg.
You kicked back a little too hard. You know.
My body was like, hey, wait a minute. Slow down, slow your roll.
You ain't there yet.
Yeah, we kept speeding up faster than the
Yeah, that was the first. That we actually was going faster than Bakari.
Yeah.
Because usually I'm like, he's on number 5 and I'm on like 3.5.
Yeah.
You know.
Wait a minute.
Yeah. Hold on. Do we have a speed we can slow him down to?
Yeah, that was a good one.
Yeah, it was good. You can see we worked up a sweat.
Mm-hmm.
You know, got a little bit of calories burning.
Uh-huh.
You know,
120 to be exact, which isn't too bad.
You know, and see, the more we do it, the more we be able to get it better,
Yes.
and it helps us stay limber, and helps our joints to stay going, and
Uh-huh.
you know, and helps us with our movement. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, we're not sitting here trying to be Mr. and Mrs. Olympia or nothing like that.
Yeah.
You know, we're just trying to keep moving. So when we get grandkids and
Oh, yeah.
stuff, we'll be running up and down the stairs with them.
Just to keep healthy.
Mm-hmm.
And they had a modified version. If you didn't want to do what the lead guy was doing with all the high kicks and the super deep squats,
Put
you
your
could do
feet on the ceiling and stuff.
Yeah, you could do the modified version, which is what I was doing because I'm not stupid. I'm not gonna injure myself.
Well,
But so in case you're
more
wondering,
injure yourself. More.
yeah, in case you're wondering, what's Sherry doing over there? I'm doing the modified version. Thank you. But even with that, it still gave me a good workout.
Yeah. Yeah.
We'll work our way up to the more advanced versions a little bit later.
Yeah.
We'll get there.
It was good though.
Yeah.
Overall, Again, all it takes is just be consistent with this, and this is definitely an essential part of weight loss is exercise.
Yeah. Even though, I mean, you can lose weight without exercising just by modifying your diet.
Yes.
But you still want to be able to move and be healthy and toned. You don't want to be thinner and flabbier. I've seen that. That doesn't look good.
Yeah.
Better be fat if you gotta be flabby.
Yeah.
But anyway.
So we just, the thing is for everyone, including us, do what you can.
Yeah.
Do what you can.
Just move.
And no matter what you look like, be happy with your results.
Yes.
Because it's all about you being happy with who you are, and not everybody else.
And being healthy.
Yep.
Yeah.
Definitely.
All right.
Yeah.
That's it.
I think that's
a wrap.
Yeah. That does it for this video. Thanks for sharing your time with us, and don't forget, if you like this video, please be sure to like, share, and
subscribe.
Yes, and we are the Renties of Houston, and we will see you next time.
Bye.
Bye.